Let's make this pan-seared salmon with fennel and citrus salad. Remove the ends of an orange. Using a sharp knife, start removing the skin and any of the white pith off the orange to remove any bitterness. To segment an orange using your knife, remove each section of the orange. When done, squeeze out all the juice. Cut off both ends from the fennel, cut it in half, remove the core, and start slicing really thinly and add to a bowl. Pat dry the salmon. Now slice into 1-inch pieces. You want to get 8 equal pieces. Season with salt on all sides. Add your olive oil. Now the salmon. Cook in batches. Flip carefully. Sear the other side. To prepare the salad, add your orange segments to the fennel. Using the remainder of the orange juice, add salt and olive oil, whisk together until fully combined. Toss the fennel together with the dressing, adding remainder of the fennel. Now the oranges and toss together. To assemble, on a platter, add your salad, spreading evenly on the platter. Add in pieces of the salmon. Using the fennel fronds, add on top. Drizzle remaining of the dressing. Serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you try out this delicious pan-seared salmon recipe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.